Welcome to It's Fun and Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today's video, we have this cool Build Boost Stunt Hot Wheels track that we're going to be trying out. So let's open it. This we don't need. And this, we kind of already opened it to see what it was like. It comes off, which is really cool, like this. And then we already put the stickers on. You have some instruction manuals. And that. It comes with, I think it says on the cardboard what it comes with. It comes with one car, 4 connectors, 8 pieces of track, 4 of these things, and this thing, and this thing. So yeah, this is the car that comes with it. And the cool thing is, look at this. This thing over here, it's not just like a thing, like you put this, it's not just like the cover. So this isn't just the cover for it. But if you go like this on a table that you use, it doesn't have to be a table like this. But if you do that, it mounts on like that. And then you put this up and you put your 4 cars. And then you let it go and you'll have some track and it will do it. And this also isn't just a box. If you want to, you can make it 4 jumps, or 1 lane can go up and over the box. So let's get building. Those 2, that, and this track's tricky. Go. So I'll just grab 4 cars real quick. The one that it came with, this one, and then I have 4 others here, so we can just put them in the lanes. Okay, there. Go there. And I don't know if this is really supposed to how you do it. It's supposed to go like that, but it doesn't really stay right yet. Until we get more track, I think. Now, these connectors are cool too. They're not like a normal connector. They're different. Wait. And then we're gonna add this. Yeah, we're probably gonna go with this for the first track. What? Then we can add these. Go like that. Wait, actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Blue. then red, then car comes through. So that's that track. And now we need some buttons. This is what we need, a long piece of track. Here's that. So, this track like that. And then we need to make all that like this. And we just ran another track. To the basement. So, I don't know why, but we're not going to be able to make these tracks exactly even. But for the race, we'll just see whoever crosses like a line will say.
And it doesn't have to be even, right? You can build it however you want it.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be even.
This cool set. So this set comes with the 4-car launcher and
there we go, we're done.
8 pieces of track and the box and 4 of these cool spinners.
Ready? Set. Go! Oh no! What happened? I think he might have jumped. Try him, just him. He jumps. We need to make this not so much of an angle. It's supposed to be like this, but our table isn't. Our clamp's not working. That might work. Maybe we need to switch this. Like maybe we need to move this back so maybe it's too close. It's that. Take this out. That, and then we'll take this out. So then we'll put this here. That there. Then this. And then we have this. And then we'll just add another piece. Like that. I know this track's longer than all the others, but we'll just count it for the. And this needs to be able to touch the ground. So where are the cars going? Found one. Found 2. The cars. Ready, set, go. Thanks for watching. I really like this set because there's 4 lanes and you can race 2 cars, 3 cars, 1 car even. And you can make them, or you could race 4, you can make them all the way down. And you don't only use it like this, you can also build it like this. So if you build it like this, you don't have to build it like this. You can build it both ways. You don't have to choose one or the other. It's not like you make the set and then it stays like that. If you build it like this, there's these 4 things that go, then the cars come through. I don't know really how they make this. but then they jump off here. And really, if you really wanted to, if you had 2 of these, you could launch one from over there and one go here, and the rest come here and jump. So, yeah. Thanks for watching again.